Hello friends, welcome back to another video. This is Ram. So in this video we are going to see how to translate a language to any other language while typing itself. Yes, this is very simple tip. This is mostly useful while chatting with friends or family members. Yes, so definitely watch this video till the end. So this video will help you a lot. By using this tip we can chat in any language with anyone. So let's get started. Let's suppose you are chatting with an unknown person or a person who belongs to a different country or a different place. So at this point of time you don't know the opposite person language to chat or speak. So by using this tip we can chat. So make sure your keyboard is updated for this. So open the Google keyboard in any messenger or like WhatsApp or Facebook or in Gmail, or it will work in any medium of messenger. So when you start typing here, you can see the Google icon top right side here. So just select the Google icon here and it will show the multiple options like this. So here just select the Google Translator. Yes, so after selecting this, it will show two languages here, the one which we are typing and the other we want to translate to. So set the both languages and start typing here. So hi, how are you? We can see as early as possible it's converted into second language which we are selected here. So like this we can translate one language to multiple languages by using this tip. So we can also translate to Hindi to English, or English to Hindi, or French to English, or English to French. So with multiple translation we can do here with this single click. So hi, how are you? So in Chinese, Arabic or Japanese, whatever the language you want, you can easily convert by using this tip. Hope this video is helpful to you all. Thanks for watching friends. Do subscribe this channel for more future updates like this, and don't forget to watch my previous videos too, which are helpful and good content. And do comment about this video, and if you know any other alternative tip for this, do comment and let me know in the comment section below. And like this video and don't forget to share with your friends. Maybe this tip will help them. Okay friends, we'll meet you on my next video. Thanks.